Good afternoon, it's that bloke on a motorbike again. I'm out for a little bit of a bimble round today on Ivy. I was poring over map and couldn't think of anywhere to go, so I thought, hang on, Calimoto's got a thing where you can put in that you want to do a round trip and which direction, so I thought, I wonder where it takes me. So that's what I've done, and all I can say is these views are just amazing. Absolutely beautiful. Never been round here at all. It's only, what, a good 5 miles from home. Fantastic views across Pennines. So if it carries on like this, hey, it's a good feature. So see where it takes us, eh? Tell you what, I don't like the look of that weather ahead of us. Although it's been forecasting rain all day and it hasn't materialised yet, you can bet your life that as soon as I get beyond the point of no return, it's going to absolutely bang it down. Oh, this is brilliant. If I look to my right, I can see that the rain is absolutely shuttering down. If I look to my left, it's sunny. So please don't turn me right into it all. What we need is we need somebody to develop an app for a motorbike that looks and knows where the rain is and takes us on a ride without any rain. How brilliant would that be? Well, that's a pub not to go to, isn't it? The Cock and Bottle. Sounds like some sort of incontinence treatment. Good job it's not there, that other one, isn't it, that I did other week up in North Yorkshire. Imagine if it were in there, at a village called Bell End. The Cock and Bottle in Bell End. That'd be interesting. Well, this is Halifax, folks. Famous for woolen mills and this big bridge. Famous mill there, Dean Clough, now home to lots of small businesses. When I was doing motorbike training, there's a test centre in Halifax and I used to use that quite a lot. So I've been over this bridge a few times with pupils. So I got a string of little old mill towns and villages down here. This one again, been on this road but never noticed what they called it. They actually call this place Friendly. Which is yeah, different. You got the characteristic stone built terraced houses. These little villages all tend to run into one, little towns and stuff. This is now called Ludden Foot. And dropping down into a valley. I think then we go from Ludden Foot, I think it's Mythenroyd we come to. And just at the side of us we've got the canal, which was the 18th century motorway that bring all the goods in and take the goods out, all by waterway. I'm just going over the Rochdale Canal there as we drop down into Mythenroyd itself. Again, typical stone houses. Bridge across river. A lot of these places built up in areas like this because of the water for the mills. They need plenty of soft water for washing the wool. So we cross the county border now. I'm in foreign territory of Lancashire and I haven't brought my passport with me. Oh, that's tempting. Little pub. back onto Ivy Roads. 7 miles of Ivy Road. Stunning view behind me. Pity you can't see it there in the mirror. Oh, that's not a bad one though. Look at that. That's one thing about it. We've had a lot of rain, but everything's so vivid and green. The light on those trees is fantastic. Actually gives the sky some character. Just wish it'd warm up a little bit. We've got some sheep there, and they're all following chickens. Chickens and geese. I think they've seen the farmer bringing some stuff, some food for them. Out on top of the wild Pennine Hills now. This is more like it. It was nice though, coming through all those old towns that I've not been through for years. They're massive out of those things when you get outside of them. Absolutely huge. I wonder how fast you'll be travelling at the end of those blades. Probably about the same as this guy overtaking me. This gets a bit isolated in winter. Can be keeping some bread and milk in. Stonking road though, isn't it? Yee-ha-ha-ha! Let's go. But the live here, she's chomping at bit. Back into Yorkshire and Calderdale now. I managed to get away with not having my passport with me. Look at that view, absolutely stunning. Just bob it comments below if you get fed up with me saying, wow, look at that view. If you do, I'll try not to do it. I can't promise. Where does that go? Unsuitable for HGVs. Well, that's one place to put your boat. If you're waiting for the tide to come in, it's going to have a long wait. It wasn't joking when it said turn sharp left.
Follow the road for about 7 miles.
Oh, 7 miles. 7 miles of this. Wow. Stunning views. Oh, the moorlands there. Down into valleys. Just keeping a good eye on that weather system just up there on the left. I don't want that depositing its contents on top of me. I took a chance and came out in my leathers, so I prefer riding in leathers rather than the Corduras. A lot better. What I need to do is buy some new over trousers. I've still got some that I got when I was about 16, 17. I'd only just nicely started. The big yellow fisherman's trousers that I bought at Bridlington. They never let anything through, but when it's cold, my God, they'll stand up on their own. So I'm thinking about getting a set of waterproofs just to go over top of my leathers so that I can bob them in box at back. This is a stunning bit of road, this. Look at this beautiful heather. Got the reds and the heather contrasting with green of those trees. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's a stunning bridge down there as well. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And, oh, big hill going up. That is a tight little bend. But this little beauty never flinched. You never flinched, did you, Flower? Looks like we're going to come up against a reservoir, I would imagine, with that straight wall on the left hand side, little tower. Yep, it is. Looks like I've got a reservoir over that wall on the left hand side. Oh, this is another road I never knew existed. Got another bike. Little Himalayan. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Let me look at this view. Look at that. That down there is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. It may have to be a photograph. What's that one? Be back in a minute. Right, so I just got a picture. It's starting to rain, but do you know what? I'm not overly bothered because it's gorgeous. I just wish I'd have put my Corduroys on. Oh, look at this. Just look at this road. It's absolutely awesome. Where has this road been all my biking life? Just got to be really careful of traffic suddenly cresting, because there's not a lot of room for manoeuvre, and this left hand side keeps dipping off into nothing. It just gets better and better and better. we in for another big view? Yes. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Look at that rain coming down. Please tell me we're turning off before there. Is it going up here? Oh, I've seen it all now. That wagon was carrying pigeons, racing pigeons. So he'll release them all at a set time, and then when they get back to the pigeon lofts, what they will do is they'll take the ring off that's on the leg, and they'll put it into a pigeon clock, and then that just stops the clock. So then they can work out which bird has got back the quickest. It's a very, well, it's not so much now I don't think, but it used to be. When I was younger, it used to be a very, very popular pastime up here at north. Oh, that rain's really coming down now. Yeah, Cordura's would have been better. Definitely would. Well, it's now running down my leathers and filling my boots up. Oh, this is not pleasant. This really is not pleasant now. Bloody hell. Getting standing water now across here, and there is nowhere. Oh, I can feel water running through my boots. Thing is, looks to be a bit of a dry spot over there. Go for that, I'm running out of it. No, I'm not. Back into it. Spoke too soon, folks. front of it. I might be able to outrun it. Whoa, lightning. Don't like that while I'm riding at all. Bloody hell, I do not like this. Hey up, Mr. Sheep, I'm coming through. Whichever way you want to go, make your mind up. Don't like this. Out in the storms. No idea where I'm going here. Nelson, Hebden Bridge 10, Trowden. I'm going to go right. Don't know where it's going, but I'm going to go that way. I know Yorkshire's back this way somewhere. Right folks, I'm going to call it quits for today. So I hope you've enjoyed this ride. Calimoto found a nice little one for us. So thanks for coming along. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, if you could consider it, and then it boosts the channel. Give it a like, share it, leave a comment. I have to say I've not been getting back to the comments over the last couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, and that's because I've been preoccupied with getting Little Ivy sorted out after the attempted theft. So I'll try and get back into that now. If you're out on your bikes, stay safe, keep the shiny side up, the rubber side down, try and keep dry, and I will see you all out on the road. Ride safe folks, bye for now, bye.